Welcome back, everybody. My name is Jake Gallen here with Emblem Vault, and today I'm going to show you how to vault your Namecoin assets. So here we go. So here we are. We're on emblem.finance. As you could see, we're creating a vault. You're going to go over and hit create. You're going to make sure that you select public, and then you're going to create the vault name. And there's a few ways to do this because Namecoin has a handful of different collections. Here is how to vault Namecoin assets. I would reference this when you're watching this video if you need extra and additional information. Some cool components here is the Namecoin community has created some additional tools. And I will go down to this component where we sit in the video. You can see this .bit template and the Namecoin identities. So there's a handful of Namecoin collections. There's .bits, there's Twitter eggs, there's identities, there's puny codes, and then there's some various ones, and each community has kind of created their own template. So if we're going to create .bit, we're going to use this as the example because I'm going to be vaulting a domain. So here you can see only 2011 through 2017 .bit domains. We're actually vaulting one that I own, which is Sex in the City, which is a reference to the famous TV show. And the cool component to it, as you see here, it pops up. It was minted in 2013, so that's the first registration. So props to the community. See here, this is a template that you'll put on the front of the vault. So you can literally just come here and click download template, and you can just save the image. And then you could come here and you could copy the title and the description. So we're going to use their references. So we're going to come back here to the vault. We're going to paste that in, and then we're going to come down here to the description, and we're going to copy that, and we're going to come in here and hit next. And then you come here and you could choose the file as we just saved it. You'll see it pop up, and right there you can see sexinthecity.jpg. Create the vault, make sure that you have 250 covol, and then we're going to mint the vault. So there's two ways you could do this. You can send the asset here now and then mint the vault, or you can mint the vault, then send the asset. You could do it either way. I prefer to just mint the vault so that it's created. And we're going to see, and also too, you could reference here, see where it says owner is 0x000. That means that it's not been minted. It's kind of in this idle stage. So we're going to go here and we're going to hit mint vault. And I use a ledger. I always recommend using a ledger. So we're going to come here and we're going to sign it. And there's going to be a gas fee that's associated with it. And it's generally hovering around $8 to $10. You'll see down here, there is a mint. It'll say when it's minting. Sometimes it takes a second to load. Sometimes you have to sign it twice. I'm getting a network is busy. It's $7.63 at 12 GUI base fee. So $7 here. And in another video, I'll show you how to burn it. And that is generally about 3 to 4 times less in price because I guess burning an asset is much cheaper than minting an asset, which tends to be. So we're going to sit here and wait for the vault to mint. And then I'm going to go over to my Ethereum Namecoin wallet. We're going to send Sex in the City to this deposit address here, which you can see, which is the public. This is the public key, not your private key. So everyone can see this and send any assets into it, but this is where we're going to send it. So I'm going to copy this, and then we're going to go over to my Ethereum wallet, send the Sex in the City here, and then we've successfully completed a Namecoin vaulting experience. So here we are on my Ethereum wallet, and sorry if the video looks different. My Ethereum wallet, it works best with Windows, and so I'm going back and forth between these computers. So you can see here, I have the Ethereum wallet open. You can see here that I have 2 names down here in the corner, 0 pending registration, and I have a 54 NMC balance. So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna go to manage names. You're gonna click on Sex in the City. You're going to hit configure name. Don't worry about this top part. Come down here to transfer to. You're going to paste in that address that we pulled from the vault, and then you're going to hit OK. And since this has a password, we're going to see voila, and you can see that it's sending. So now we're going to sit here and wait, and we'll confirm it in the vault. You're also going to want to send some Namecoin to the vault as well, because it is a asset that expires after about every 8 months. Emblem Vault has an auto renewal feature that's still in beta, but is getting better to where you need at least 0.5 Namecoin in the wallet, and then the auto renewal is 0.0 5 every 8 months. So we just recommend you sending about 2 Namecoin to the wallet additionally, and that should last for at least 5 to 10 years. It makes it very, very simple. I believe 50 years is about 5 Namecoin. So 2 Namecoin is plenty to do. So you can sit here and hit pay, and then we're going to type in the password again. And then it says here, payment sent. So now there's 2 transactions. And then when we verify in the vault, there should be 2 Namecoin and the domain/sex in the city. And so here you have it. You can see right here, sex in the city, and then 2.01 Namecoin. I do want to preface, this took almost an hour to display. And you could see here on the homepage D/sex in the city, it did say that it was empty, even though this displayed in the vault. And to fix that, it's a rendering issue on OpenSea. So you're going to come here, hit refresh, and then you just refresh the page and it should render, and then it'll fix this to show and display all of the metadata that you want to see right here. And then you can verify here, and you can even display and click view NFT, and it'll take you to NameBrow, and it's what we saw earlier. So that is just how you successfully vault a Namecoin asset and bring it to the Ethereum chain.